chapter, that is material in daily life. There are different materials in our surrounding. We use for different purpose as chair, clothes, table, pen, book, so many things. All substances have their own resources. Some resources are natural and some are synthetic. For example, all clothing materials called fabric is woven out of fibers. So clothes are made by fabric and fabric are made by fibers. Fibers can be two types, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Cotton and jute are natural fibers, whereas nylon and rayon are artificial fibers or man-made fibers. Both of these materials share a common property, that is they are made up of long chain of molecule called polymers. Let us now understand what are polymers. A polymer is a chain of many small units. In Greek language, poly means many and mer means unit. A single unit is called monomer and mono means single or one. Several units of same monomer can bond to form a long chain or a polymer. A polymer is a large sized molecule. Depending on the units that form a polymer, we get different fibers. Based on their origin, fibers are classified synthetic and natural fibers. Natural fibers are those that comes from natural resources like plants and animals. They occur in ready to use form. Some of vegetables fibers obtained from plant parts. It includes protein fibers like wool and seal, as you can see in the picture. Cellulose fibers like cotton and linen come from the parts of plants. It includes protein fibers like wool and seal, as you can see in the picture. Cellulose fibers like cotton and linen come from the parts of plants. For example, viscose comes from pine trees. Acrylic, nylon, polyester comes from oil and coal. And synthetic fibers are man-made fibers that comes from chemical resources. They are continuous filament fibers. And synthetic fibers are man-made fibers that comes from chemical resources. They are continuous filament fibers. Let us now understand properties of synthetic fibers. They are dry up quickly, they are durable, they are less expensive, they are readily available, and they are easy to maintain. It consists of multiple units joined together to form a big molecule called polymer. They are manufactured using plant material and minerals. Let us now understand kind of synthetic fiber. First is rayon, made by mixing chemical fibers and viscose of plant fiber. Polyester is made by mixing chemical fiber and cotton, whereas nylon is a pure chemical fiber. Acrylic and plastic are also made by chemical fibers. We will discuss the characteristics of these fibers in detail. We must understand about synthetic fiber a lot. Let us compare and learn little more about the fibers. First of all, we will compare rayon, nylon and polyester. First character is length. They all are long fibers. Rayon is also long and they are making very good strength of a fabric. Appearance. They are smooth and shiny. Nylons are also smooth and shiny. But polyester are smooth but less shiny. Next characteristic is moisture absorption. Yes, rayons absorb readily moisture, whereas nylon does not absorb as much moisture, and polyester are not able to absorb moisture. That is the biggest drawback of synthetic fibers. Heat conduction. Rayons are very good in heat conduction, and that is why they are using as in warm clothes. Nylons are poor conductor of heat, and polyester is also very poor conductor of heat. Now let us see the strength of the fiber. Rayons loses strength when we rub. So it is little flexible but not very good fiber in strength. Nylons are strong and polyester are very strong and showing excellent strength. Right? Next one is wrinkles. Rayons are very good cloth as it is wrinkleless. Nylons are also wrinkleless and polyester are also wrinkleless. We don't need to iron these clothes again and again. Now let us understand their uses. We can use rayon in dress material, making carpet and lining of coat and trousers. Nylons are very good in making hosiery, home furniture and furnitures of offices. And polyester, as it is very strong fiber, we can make ropes, bags, tents, parachute and other. See the uses of all these three fibers. First is the rayons are used in heavy dress material like coat, pants, sweaters, as they are good conductor of heat. We use them in making carpets, curtains, and also we use them in making linings of heavy dresses. Nylons are used in hosiery materials because they are having flexibility. So we are making socks and undergarments of this material. Then we are using this material in home furnishing, as we can make furnitures, pillow covers, bed sheets also. Now let us see the polyester, uses of polyester, as it is a very good strength fiber. We are using them in making ropes, bags, in making tents, fishing